Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to talk about the electricity bill payment using a mobile. Okay, we always used to do a payment directly from the Bestcom site, or probably directly in a Paytm, or different way of we do have a different ways to pay the electricity bill. Okay, right? So now we have a new application called Bestcom Mitra, which is very good application. Indeed, it is provided from a Bestcom itself to pay your bill. Okay, so it is very easy. You can see the past history of the payment. You can even register a complaint. Okay, and you can also see that if there is some issue going on in your area, and because of that there will be a power cut in the next 7 days. Okay, so it is very useful application, I can say, and you can use this application for your electricity bill payment. It will be very much easy. Okay, generally what will happen, there will at the end of the year the Basecom will charge you some security charges, that is one time in a year. So you will not be able to pay that charges, because I have faced this issue. Like at the end of the year, generally they will charge around 310 rupees. Okay, so which you will not be able to pay directly from any of your, let's say, Paytm or any other site directly. So for that you need to go to the Bestcom site and do that payment itself. So rather than doing that, now Bestcom has already introduced a new application, which is Bestcom Mitra. So using that you can do that. It has a directly, you need to log in with your ID. Okay, and it will show you the last payment detail, as well as the already, like, what is the balance amount which you need to pay. Okay, so it gives the, it has a very decent like GUI. Okay, and which you can use it and do the payment. It has also section for the feedback, where you can provide your feedback. You can register a complaint directly from there itself. You can see the bill breakup directly, that as well. Okay, so I would suggest you to use this application, okay, for your bill payment, rather than using any other application or site. So because it is directly from the Bascom itself. Okay, if you like that this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you again next in the next video. I will try to provide the snippet of the this application which I am talking about. You can download that application from the, it is available in the App Store, as well as the Android, like Google Play as well. Okay, so you can directly download it and use it. Thanks for watching this video. See you again. Bye bye.